This is a mirror, came out of the bathroom, and in order to get it to go down the stairs, I'm going to need to cut it up. And so I have never done this before, but what we're going to try and do is cut it a lot like you would a tile or other glass. First step is we need to put our safety gear on. So we've got goggles or safety glasses for me, gloves. I'm wearing long pants, shoes, long sleeves. Got the gloves on here. Very much not entirely sure exactly what's going to happen as I go through this. So I want to make sure that I'm prepared. What tool I have here is a tile cutter, and it is very much just a scoring tool. It's a round wheel that scores, and then a clamp that is going to split the two. I am going to look at trying to split this into 3 pieces. So I'll make 2 cuts on this. Going through here and describing that tool. Once again, trying it out for the first time. I've never used this tool before. Pushing down relatively hard as I go down. As I'm scoring it, little pieces of the glass are popping off. So I come up from the bottom to finish out that line. And what you want to do is you want to make sure that you're getting a straight cut, or not straight, but a solid line the whole way down. Now I'm going to go ahead and split that. It's got a curve, and so you're going to put that curve touching on either side of the line you cut. The snap happens, and it worked just like I hoped it would. Went down the score just as I had planned, and now I have a chunk of glass that is the right size for me to carry down the stairs safely. So we'll go ahead and do the next one. As I score it down, holding it rather tight to the little wheel that scores, I'll work my way up from the bottom again. And then we're going to go all the way back to the top here, and we're going to pop it along that score. You could see it break as it was going. It was super neat. Now that I have 3, when it did split them, a lot of the glass fragments splintered down onto the Paw Patrol sheet down there. So I'm going to go ahead and just throw that sheet away. However, had I known that was going to happen, I would have gotten a disposable painter's tarp and put it down there so that I could just throw away the $2 piece and not have to worry about cleaning up, because glass shards in the house, not a great thing. Don't want to deal with that. As I clean this up and carry it down, I'm going to make sure that I've got a towel on either side, because those edges of the mirror are very, very sharp, incredibly sharp. Don't want to be touching those sides. Even with the gloves on, I want extra layers of protection. Make sure once you're done cleaning up after everything, you're vacuuming. Sweeping's just going to push around those glass pieces, which are sharp. And inside the house, that could be, feet. I've got kids, so little feet around that. Not great. Vacuuming it up, make sure that it gets out of there. And so I did a great twice over run on the vacuum to make sure I got everything.